Hello everyone, my name is Hemant Negi. So guys, in our today's session we will discuss how we can add, commit and push the code on GitHub using Eclipse. Okay, so guys, this is my GitHub location and these projects basically I have created. So I'm just going with any of the project. Okay, so this is my project named test git project 1, and guys, these are the branches. Sorry. Okay, so these are the branches which I have created. So let's suppose I am selecting this slave branch. Okay, so in this slave branch I have already added few code. So for this slave branch, you guys can see inside this test package I have these 4 files. Okay, so guys, in Eclipse I have already imported this project and switched to this slave branch. Okay, so guys, I am just going to do some changes over here. Okay, so that I can just we can say add, or we can do some perform some action on this committing and just send these changes to our GitHub locations, push the code. So we will see all these things today. Okay, so guys, let's suppose I am creating a new file here, new class file. Okay, so let's suppose I am giving hello test and giving this public static void main. Okay, so I'm just giving a plain message over here. Okay, I am okay. So guys, you can see this question mark symbol and some other symbols are also available on these other files. Okay, so this question mark symbol is basically means for this file is not available on your GitHub location, or we can say this file is not on the in my commit sections or in my stash section, all these. Okay, so once I send this file for the committing part, committing this code and push the code, then only you can see the symbol question mark is changed by this symbols. Okay, which is available in other files. I suppose you guys can see. Okay, so so now guys, I am using this Eclipse, and using this Eclipse we will just send these changes on the GitHub location. Okay, so right click on this project, click on this team option, then click on this commit section, right? First, okay, click on this commit. So guys, once you click on the commit, you guys can see these changes. Okay, yeah, so this is my Git staging area. Okay, so you guys can see, yeah, so this is my file hello test. Okay, let's suppose this one. So just click on this. So guys, this plus symbol is basically send a single file which one is selected. Let's suppose I just want to send this values only, so I just click on this single plus. Okay, so if you want to send all the changes, then you will just click on this multiple plus, 2 times plus. Okay, click, all the changes will come here. The same thing is here, in stage changes. Once you click on this symbol, it means it will just remove all the files from staged location to unstaged location. Okay, so first we need to, we can say these unstaged changes to stage changes. I just want to send this file only, so click on this plus. And also guys, the commit message is also mandatory here. For example, let's suppose I just want to commit the code, or I just want to directly commit and push the code. So once you click on this, you guys can see one warning message you must enter a commit message here. Okay, so I'm just giving one committing message. So guys, this message should be some relevant message, so that in the future you can understand, or some other developer can understand this message. Okay, so let's suppose I'm giving this change up, then it's added hello test using save branch. Okay, so once you click on this commit and push, so you guys can also see, if I click on this commit and push, it will see this message here, push to test kit project origin 0%. Now it is just moved to 23%. So it will take few times and send your code, your local branch slave branch to master branch. Okay, and this is my message like added hello test using slave branch. Okay, so once you click on this, go to this. So guys, here you can see only 4 files are available here. Okay, so I am just refreshing this window. So guys, you can see like hello test Java is available here, like added hello test using slave branch. Click on this, you can just see the changes like I am in hello test. Okay, so guys, here we have one other option like commit only, not commit and push. So we can just see the impact of it like I am in hello test modify. Okay, so we have this text only like I am in hello test. So I just change this text like I am in hello test modify. Okay, so this is my code. I just click on this like sorry updated hello test file. Okay, so I just click on this commit. So guys, this commit means this code has been committed from your end, but this code is not pushed to the we can say like your upstream branch or your upper branch. Like you guys can see this arrow, one arrow, it means this one commit is need to send on your upstream branch, or you can say like your branch on the origin. So what we will do, we will just right click on this, click on this team and click on this push to upstream. Okay, so once you click on push to upstream, you guys again can see this message like push to git dash git project, and it will just change from this. Okay, so after few seconds you guys can see like our changes has been sent like updated hello test file. Okay, click on this, close, open this and refresh this window. Okay, so you guys can see the changes here. Okay, so guys, this is the way through which we can send our Eclipse code using this git staging sections. Okay, so we can just send our code from Eclipse to our GitHub locations. Okay guys, so again I'm just saying the same thing like this is my unstaged changes. It means these changes are not in the staged. So first we need to send these changes from unstaged to staged. It means in the staged only those changes will come which you want to send on the, we can say like your GitHub locations or your upstream locations. Okay, so you will just send only those files here, or we can just send all the files over here if you want all the files on the GitHub locations. Okay, then you will just give one relevant commit message, and then you will just either use commit or commit and push. If you use the commit, then you just need to send this code using push to upstream, and if you use this commit and push option, then you can just directly commit and push the code on the upstream branch. Okay, so guys, this is our overall sessions. If you have any query, any doubts, anything, you can just comment me in the comment sections. I will just reply on the same. Okay, thank you.